Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whatever time you guys watching this video. I'd like to invite every single one I know. This is the Belize Caye Fest, the 26th annual Belize Caye Fest. It's going down at the Hollywood Park Casino on July the 6th. That's on a Sunday, so after church we're going to go right there because it starts like 12 o'clock, between 12 and 2, and it goes all the way up until 10. We have a fat lineup. We have all the way from Belize, the Soca Dandara, Mr. T.R. Shine. We have Ras India. We have Little June. We have Honesty. Gareth. Me, the legendary me, the man retired, you know, that my friend now. We also have on the lineup. These guys played for Mr. Nelson Mandela at the Coliseum way back when. Alright? The Babylon Warriors. They are reunion, so they'll be there. And we have on the MC, the big man, my friend, my good friend, Mr. Fresh Fred Dixon. I'll wait for my comfort suit, Mr. Dixon. We have the Garifuna Cultural Group. We have the mighty 501 band. How you mean? We have DJ Special Tag International. DJ Ron Miller, the man from way back. So everybody who been around, they know the man. Be there and don't be square. Do remember, it's a donation, just a slight donation at $10, and kids under 10 years old, that's for free, so not got no excuse. Come along, bring the pram, whatever you want to bring, on water, whatever, you know, me don't carry that in Hollywood Park because them are strict. So July the 6th, remember July the 6th, it's on a Sunday. I'll give you a sneak peek at the rehearsal. Yes, sir. Alright, that's all for now. So if you want to see the entire thing and want more, come on. July 6th, it's on a Sunday after church. You take off your church shoes, your church outfit, I don't know. Just come and relax. Enjoy yourself with me, 501 and the whole crew. See you there, alright? Peace out.